Welcome back, guys. Let's talk about one of the most important notification, FMS Delhi. Not exactly the notification, but there are few descriptive questions in the form, and everybody is asking how to write answers to those questions. So let's talk about that in detail. FMS Delhi, मुझे मालूम है this video might not be valid for everyone because जिनको भी expected CAT percentiles 98 plus रहेगा ये उन्हीं के लिए valid है. इनफैक्ट मेरे हिसाब से तो it is 99 plus for a general category candidate because only 101 seats are there for a general category candidate, and FMS Delhi is one of the most sought after MBA college in the country due to its ROI. So let's talk about the form in detail and understand how to answer. So first thing is, in the form you will find statement of purpose 1000 words. Now what is the objective of this question? ये तुमसे जानना चाहते हैं who you are, what drives you for an MBA program, and why you want to pursue this program at FMS Delhi. कुछ structural points हैं that I'm explaining you. Please listen to them carefully. जो भी आपके लिए valid नहीं होगा, you will remove that. For example, introduction, 100 to 150 words, valid for everyone. Now when I say 100 to 150 words, you can begin with a strong statement about defining you, your experience, and something that probably reflects your focus, your personality, and you are a purpose-driven individual. That's initial 100-150 words. If you further go ahead, you will find that you will have to give another 200-250 words to the academic journey. And those people who have experience, they will add about their professional summary also, professional journey also. So I have summarized it as academic and professional journey in 200-250 words. Summarize your academic background, major milestones. Link your education to your professional journey, professional choices, and यहाँ से build up होना चालू हो जाना चाहिए that why you are looking for a management course. Highlight skills gained during this course of college, school, and academic journey, which could be analytical, communication, leadership. Now, from this point onwards, you will start showing that why MBA is something that you are looking at in the coming paragraphs. ये एक building up है जो अभी से चालू हो जाएगी. Now, प्रोफेशनल एक्सपीरियंस, अब बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनके पास में ये नहीं होगा 250 से 300 वर्ड्स. वहां क्या करना है, वहां इंट्रो में थोड़ा सा नंबर ऑफ वर्ड्स 100 वर्ड्स 100 वर्ड्स 150 वर्ड्स बढ़ जाएगा. दोज पीपल हु हैव एक्सपीरियंस, outline your key achievements and responsibilities during your work gigs. Focus on leadership, decision making, teamwork, innovation, measurable outcomes, data points that you can mention there. Top business schools in the country, they love data points. Show how each role shaped your goals or revealed the need for management education. तो यहां पे भी linking up है. Every line, every paragraph that you are lining has to be linked up with why MBA. ये अंदर तक बस जाना चाहिए. ये फॉर्म इंटरव्यू अगर दे रहे होगे तो उसके सामने खुला हुआ होगा. Why MBA? Why FMS Delhi? 200 to 250 words. Now, connect your goals with FMS offering. Example, focus on leadership, marketing strategy, case-based learning, alumni network, etc. Mention specific aspects that align with your vision. For example, faculty culture, peer learning, and how it will help you to reshape your coming years in the corporate world or in the business world. Future goals. Last May, this you will align with short-term and long-term goals. One-liner on short-term, 75-80 words. One-liner on long-term, 75 to 80 words. So another 150 to 200 words, you will talk about short-term and long-term goals. And at the end, you will conclude in the 100 words, reinforcing your motivation and readiness for the program. End on a confident, forward-looking note, positive note. That is one thing you have to do as far as this answer is concerned. A statement of purpose. Okay. Now, Tips for this answer: statement of purpose, 1000 words, FMS Delhi form. Maintain a personal yet professional tone. Avoid I want to become a leader. Show it through examples. Keep paragraph concise. Each should build a clear narrative. No confusion in the language. अगर क्लैरिटी कम हुई लैंग्वेज में तो मार्क्स कम हो जाएगा, और जब वो आपसे बात कर रहा होगा तो उस पॉइंट को पक्का उठा के लाएगा, एंड देन ही विल ग्रिल यू ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर लाइन और ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट. This is all about SOP. Now, the next question which is there in the form, experience details, 1000 words. So those people who are freshers, for them the answer is not applicable. And for experienced people, those who have professional experience, they will have to explain it in 1000 words. मैं एक क्विक क्रोनोलॉजी दे रहा हूं जिसमें तुम आंसर बना सकते हो. फर्स्ट इज ओवरव्यू. Overview in 100 words. Mention total years of experience and key industries worked in. Chronological summary 400 to 500 words. Include achievements with measurable outcomes. Again, I am saying data points. FMS Delhi का point of view से data points are very important. Highlight innovation, problem solving और new initiatives. वो भी बहुत fruitful रहता है. Key learning 200 to 250 words. What did each stage teach you? Focus on management lessons. Again, linking up with why MBA. Linking up with there you understood the importance of management and you realized that you should go for an MBA program. Strategy, people management, process improvement, etc. This is your lesson and you intend to take it through a B school. So this is your professional summary. You can further continue few points like challenges and impact. इस पूरे वर्किंग में जो तुम्हारे ऊपर इम्पैक्ट आया, that you have to mention on your personality, how you have reshaped yourself, your thought process, your maturity, etc. Professional maturity I am talking about. Conclusion, लास्ट में 50 से 100 वर्ड्स में कंक्लूड कर दोगे एक रिफ्लेक्शन देते हुए how your experience shaped your leadership and your reason to pursue for an MBA program now at this stage when you have worked for maybe a year or two. Tips from my side: keep tone factual but reflective. Factual but reflective. फैक्ट्स ही तो है, मैं काम कर रहा हूं, बट कुछ रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा है क्या कि मुझे मैनेजमेंट एजुकेशन के लिए जाना है, मुझे उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट है. यूज बुलेट पॉइंट्स फॉर अचीवमेंट्स इफ अलाउड, अगर जगह मिलती है तो. अवॉइड लेंथी जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शंस, फोकस ऑन आउटकम्स, डेटा पॉइंट्स एंड लर्निंग. दैट्स मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. सो गाइस, दिस इज एक्सपीरियंस डिटेल. थर्ड थिंग which is again valid for everyone that you will find in the form, 1000 words. Extracurricular activities. So let's start. Introduction, 100 to 150 words. Briefly mention your approach to extracurricular activities: learning, beyond books, teamwork, leadership, creativity. Few points which should come out from your answers. And please, AI वाला मत चिपका देना यार, वो ऐसा का ऐसा AI आंसर है, they'll be able to understand. Okay, they have a lot of tools to identify that. Please make your own answer. Don't use those fleshy words which are used by AI while creating these answers. I have created a lot of answers to understand that how AI is creating these answers. Categories to cover. मैंने कुछ categories identify किया after a detailed discussion with a very senior from FMS Delhi that यार मेरे हिसाब से he said leadership and volunteering should definitely come. Cultural and creative participation should come to show that you have a diverse personality. Public speaking and events where you have participated. Again, your management skills, your public speaking skills. Then sports fitness should come. Community or social impact work should come. These few points should definitely come while you are making this answer. Okay, now reflection, next 150 to 200 words while you conclude with how these activities shaped your personality through developing leadership, developing resilience, developing empathy in your personality. मेरे ख्याल से tips है, use real examples. Don't list activities where you have not participating. I mean, that's my friend's activity, I'll keep myself in his shoes and I'll write it down. Don't do that. Highlight how these experiences complement your growth. Keep tone genuine and modest. See, in every point I am discussing with you tone that you will be mentioning in the specific डिस्क्रिप्टिव आंसर. ठीक है, लास्ट है शायद ये एकेडमिक ऑनर्स एंड प्राइजेस विच इज 1000 वर्ड्स. इसमें तुमको बहुत दिक्कत नहीं आएगा. अप्रोच टू एकेडमिक एंड प्रोफेशनल एक्सीलेंस तुम्हें दिखाना है, कमिटमेंट दिखाना है, डिसिप्लिन, क्यूरोसिटी एंड हाउ कंसिस्टेंट यू वर since your last 4-5 years of schooling and colleging. Academic achievement 300 to 400 words. In academic achievements, list all scholarships, Olympiads, NTSC, all form of awards that you have received, distinctions, ranks, achievements. Mention strong performance in subjects relevant to management, economics, business studies, etc. If you have. If applicable, highlight research papers, projects or internship, professional award, best employee award, top performer award, best sales recognition, etc. Who awarded, why and the outcome. 300 to 400 words. And leadership and recognition include invitations as speaker, jury member or mentor during your college days, especially when you are a senior and they ask you to address juniors, when they ask you to be a part of the anti-ragging team, etc. Mention affiliations or collaborations with reputed institutions. Now, suppose you have done a certificate program with a reputed institute, you have been to IIT and you have done this program, and with a statement connecting achievements to your continuous learning mindset. Most important. And be factual. Avoid overclaiming, but claim facts. If no formal awards mention recognitions, responsibilities or consistent results, most important. Use short paragraphs or bullet form for clarity. ये थोड़ा सा मैं बोलता हूं, ये वाला क्वेश्चन बुलेट फॉर्म पे भी ले सकते हो for clarity. But keeping all 5 major parameters in mind that you have to showcase. So guys, I think I have in detail explained you all descriptive answers of this particular form. Wish you all the best guys. Keep rocking and do well. Like, subscribe and hit the bell button for more content videos. Thank you.